Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making some easy chili mac. So what you're going to need here is 2 boxes of macaroni and cheese. I got the deluxe here, and one 15-ounce can of chili with no beans, and 1 can of RoTel. So let's get this going and see how it all turns out. This would be really enjoyable. So here we go. See you in a few minutes. I'm going to get the water boiling. Okay guys, as you can see, we got the water boiling. It's boiling really good. So we're going to take the boxes of the pasta. We'll take out the cheese pouch they got. Put that in there. And we're going to get this stirred and get it back up to a boil. And we'll let it boil for about 10 minutes. This should take about 10 minutes for this to happen, so it shouldn't take too long for it to get back up to a boil. But we're just gonna, what you want to do is you constantly stirring, at least occasionally. That way it keeps the pasta from sticking. I also, beginning of this, I did put a little bit of salt in there, so we'll keep that going. So, and there it is. It's already getting back up to a boil. So let it boil, and then we'll show you the next step here. So here it is. It's back up to a boil. So we'll just keep that going there. Alright guys, well, I'm going to let this boil and cook. It'll be about 10 minutes, and I'll see you in around 10 minutes. Okay guys, as you can see, it's boiling here. So what we're going to do, a good stir here. What we're going to do is just take one of these, fill it, and it's good and soft there. So we're going to take this, and we're going to dump it in the strainer here, over in the sink. So we got the strainer here. Okay, I'm going to turn the temperature down just a little bit. Now it's going down. We're going to take a can of chili, put it in there, and we're going to dump the can of RoTel. I'm just gonna get it stirred up there. And we're gonna go ahead and put in our cheese packets. Just squeeze that right on in there. Make sure you get all that cheese sauce out of these packets. And you can use your dried powdered cheese. I just like the deluxe because it's richer and creamier. Just a little bit. I had to wash my hands on there. A little bit of the cheese on there. We're gonna that's the cheese out of here. All right. Get that good and stirred in here. All right. So now for our next part, we're gonna put in the pasta back in here. And still a few. Okay, now I'm just gonna get it stirred in here. We're gonna turn that off. Turn the heat off. Okay. And get it all good and stirred up here. Now, yeah, all right. Okay, now that we got it good and mixed up there, that looks so good. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit to let the cheese thicken up, and then we're gonna give it a taste and see how I did. Alright, I'll see you in a few minutes here. Okay guys, this turned out really good. Look at this. Now, it's thickened up pretty good. It can go a little bit longer to thicken up too, but this turned out great. So what we're gonna do, scoop it out in the bowl here. Okay. Let's look at that. That just looks beautiful. Nice. Good tasting. So what we're gonna do, make sure we get the meat and RoTel. Got a good nice meaty flavor. Smell. Oh. So this is easy chili mac. Alright guys, this tastes really good. Really easy. Just if you wanted to, you could do the one box, but I used the 2 boxes. If you wanted more of the chili part of it in there, but I think the 2 boxes make it look a little bit better. But okay guys, also you want to remember when you put in the RoTel to drain it, drain the can a little bit of the water that's in there, and you got your delicious easy meal that the kids will love, and a nice quick meal for yourself. If you want to, please comment below. Let me know what you think. Any other ideas here? And also, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can catch other cooking videos like this. I do a cooking video every Saturday. And I also do some taste test videos, some sightseeing and adventure type videos. And so when you subscribe, you get to see those. And also, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next video. And to remember to enjoy the day that the Lord has given you. And I'll see you guys later. You can finish eating. Man, that's a nice flavor.